Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have the Vernee V2 Pro, which, when you look at the specifications, it has everything. It's £207 at the moment on GearBest. Very similar specs to the Digi Z2, 6GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, octa-core Helio P23. This has a much larger battery, 6,200 milliamps. Also has NFC as well. Let's have a look. It's a 5.99 inch, so slightly smaller screen than the Digi Z2. Just feel quite weighty. USB Type-C charging cable, user manual, warranty card. All phones have them nowadays. USB Type-C to 3.5mm socket for headphones. A charging block with 5, 7 and 9 volt output. Let's take a look at the phone itself then. Okay, so this looks like a bit of a beast. Let's take that off. There's no screen protector attached. This does look very, very nice. There's a slight curved edge on the glass there. You can just see. It's looking very, very nice. Let's take the back off. What we got here. Okay. So, the back of the Vernee V2 Pro. I must say, this is quite a spectacular device. Feels really, really nice. Okay, so I'll take you round the device. Now, this is IP68 waterproof, and they have the protective flaps there. That is obviously the USB Type-C connector. There we go. That flap just flicks out. So again, we have the speaker grills at the bottom as well. Come around to the side, we have power and volume rocker up and down. Lovely red strip around the side. On the top, seems to be nothing there of any interest. On the side here, that's why there is no SIM tray tool, because this must just pop out. Oh yes, there we go. You pull it out. So you can have dual nano SIM or one nano SIM and an SD card. And there is another button on the top here. Normally on some of these sort of rugged phones, there's sort of an SOS button, maybe a camera button. I'm not too sure just yet. So that's around the edges. Now this is Corning Gorilla Glass on the front, so hardened, and Vernee say, obviously it's extra tough and it could withstand drops. They also say the middle frame is called magnesium. It's called magnesium. I've never heard of that material. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, magnesium or magnesium, but that's what they're saying is the middle frame. Thickened TPU for 4 corners and military level material. So Vernee are saying this truly is a rugged phone, and it does feel like it as well. And it's probably one of the thinnest rugged phones I've had. The BV8000, the BV6000, they've been rugged phones, but they've been a lot thicker. It's a 6,200 milliamp battery as well, running Android 8.1. So let's turn it on. Oh, which one's the power? Okay, it's not turning on with that. Oh, it is. There we go. So that is the power button. Well, that's booting up. It's taking a while to boot up. So fingerprint sensor, dual rear camera as well, 21 megapixel. Flashlight there at the back. And I believe that is a heart rate sensor as well. So it's definitely for an outdoorsy person, a very active person. There we go. And it is a 2160 by 1080p, 18:9 screen ratio. Let's set this up. Okay, so here she is. Vernee again have stuck with the same default wallpaper. So it's an FHD plus display. That's all the information I can really find on their website, and just look very, very nice. Sharp and detailed display. And your thumb or finger glides just nicely off this Corning Gorilla Glass. In terms of apps, you do have a healthcare app. This is supposed to measure your heart rate on there. Oh, where's that gone? Put your finger on there. Click to start measure. Don't move finger or talk. Failed to measure heartbeat. Failed to measure heartbeat. Right, that definitely needs some work. Yeah, so apps other than that is pretty much stock Android. Cell broadcast. Oh, that's your screenshot button then on the left up. One click, screenshot. That's quick and snappy. So it is running, it should be running Android 8. Android 8.1.0, so it is the latest OS. I hate that clicky sound on there. Let's turn that off. Touch sounds off. So settings are pretty standard. I've set fingerprint up as well, which I'll show you in a moment. Storage, yeah, just over 8 gig used at the moment of that. Okay, let's check the camera out then on this bad boy. Fingerprint Warrior, actually. It's quite snappy. Yeah, not too bad. Let's launch the camera. So there is a bit of flickering in there, and that's because of these artificial lights that I'm using. So you know that has stopped flickering. So I'm going to do this test with just pure natural light through the window on the left. Apologies, it's a little bit dark on here at the moment. So yes, it is 21 megapixel, 16 by 9. That's good. In fact, let's take a picture of something quite stunning. That. Okay, switch to video mode. What do we get on video mode? Highs of 1080p all the way down to 280. There's no image stabilization. Doesn't seem to be any image stabilization at all. Had a touch focus there. So here we have the Vernee V2 Pro. Video quality looks alright on the display here. Let me know what you think, guys. And obviously the audio quality as well, is it any good? Filming the beautiful Umi Digi Z2. I'll do. So I'm on the selfie camera. Let's switch that to 16 by 9 at 13 megapixel. Let's see what quality we get here. Here goes. Video mode. Front facing camera 1080p. That will do. Front facing camera on the Vernee V2 Pro. Let's have a look at the quality here around the camera. And then my face, all the hairy face. And sound quality is any good? Doesn't look too bad. Let me know what you think. So if I switch back to rear facing camera and put it in blur mode, or a bokeh effect, So a quick test. By the looks of this, it doesn't look very promising. Let's reduce the blur down slightly. Okay, so the shutter speed is a little bit slow. And yeah, bokeh effect isn't great. Right, let's skip that then. So that was the camera test. Bokeh effect didn't look too great. A little bit disappointing there. Let's have a look at some video footage as normal. Let's turn the volume up a little bit. The top one is the volume there. Sounds clear. The display looks excellent. Huge display. A solid, huge display. But in all fairness, these 4K videos can make pretty much any display look extra special, but it does look good. That's lovely slight curved edge on the glass as well. It's great. I'm happy with that. So this is the unboxing and quick look at the Vernee V2 Pro. First impressions. Build quality is excellent. Solid build. Do I like the design? Yes. Yes, I think Vernee have done a decent job. I like the red strips on the edge with that strange material. I can't remember what that material is called now. Definitely a solid phone. Bokeh effect doesn't seem to be as if it's going to work properly, unfortunately. Other than that, big battery. It's around just over £200. If you're an active person, you go out a lot, camping, hiking or whatever, this might be the phone for you. So I suppose if you want fragile beauty for around £200, get the Umidigi Z2. If you want the rough, solid and good looking phone, the V2 Pro might be for you. That's it guys for now. Any questions, please comment below. I'll answer them as best as I can. Links are in the description if you want to purchase the V2 Pro. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching.